Dahil nga debut ni Alex, you can have now your first dance. First dance.
Ayoko! Ayoko mag-first dance! Hindi ko kaya!
Okay, okay, go.
First time ko nakilig.
Uy, nakakahiya naman sa bisita natin. Nag-aantay doon ng ating bisita. Ayan. Ayan. First dance.
Mabuti na lang siya yung pinapunta nyo. Eh kasi chinichismis kami. Umupo ka.
Have a seat.
Bisita ka. Umupo ka dito.
Pero Lex, para maiba, si Sid ang
Ayoko.
mag-i-interview sa'yo.
Ah, si Sid?
Wala lang. Bahala. Okay, sige. You have the floor. Sid, you now have the floor.
Oh, wow. I'm hosting.
Sid, anong birthday message mo for Alex?
I really hope this is the last bad mistake you're gonna make. I don't know. What do I wish? Smooth sailing for everything. That's about it.
Good for you, good sa love life.
It's like, oh, sabi mo lang. Sige.
Chef Boy, pagtanggol mo ako. Hindi kasi ako sanay. Oo, yun lang. Thank you.
Need a break, honey?
Oy!
Bakit? Hindi pwede i-honey ang friends? Honey? honey friend, honey?
What are some qualities that you think are very interesting about Alex?
Well, yeah, I thought that was the first one. Like,
Everything!
Hayaan mo siya. Okay.
that's one thing that stands out talaga, the honesty thing. It
honesty.
really stands out. It really does. Plus the humor. And come on, bira lang yung nakakatawang babae.
Na maganda.
Ay, nakakatawa naman ako ah.
Yeah.
Corny ka nga, diba?
Ayaw ni Sid ng corny. pero,
No, I mean,
pero
The-
yes, Sid.
I think-
you were saying.
the best part about it is that I don't have to edit kung gusto ko magkwento ng anything. I can be as recta as possible na kahit nakakasira sa akin, hindi ako matatakot. And this is just between us as friends. Yeah,
And ikaw naman, ano naman ang nakita mong, parang, syempre sa pagiging magkaibigan niyo ni Sid, ano? Kung siya, yung pagiging totoo mo, ikaw naman, siya.
Yung nakita ko na nakita niya, yung mga nakita niya. Sabi ko, ay, talaga. Galing naman nun.
Oo. Na sana makita namin at maintindihan
Sana makita
din
niyo
namin.
rin
oo.
yung mga nakita niya.
Sana hindi lang kayo nakakakita niyan, no? Kung ano man yung nakita mo na hindi namin nakikita ngayon at ayaw mo na makita namin.
Ay, ayoko pakita sa inyo.
Oo.
Ano bang birthday wish mo sa kanya?
birthday wish? Parang birthday wish.
Tirahin mo na lang.
Ang hirap naman kasi ng birthday wish.
Peray mo.
Birthday wish. I hope that by the end of the year, you get to spend time with your entire family.
Yung wish ko eh.
Ay,
I meant it, yeah.
pareho ng
I wanna meet
wish.
them, yeah.
Yun din ang wish ng daddy ko kahapon sa PBR.
Yes, oo nga.